Hi, my name is Varun. I'm from India and this is my final project for CS50. In the last video, I had to rush through the project because of the 2-minute time constraint. Hopefully, this will entail all the details about my project. It's a web application, it's called Meet and Greet. It lets you find friends whose activities are similar to that you've posted. If you're a new user, you can register over here. I'm logging in with Elsa because I've already registered Elsa. Now, as you can see, this is the home page of our web application. It contains list of activities of all the users that have posted. If you're interested in joining the activity, just provide the following details and join. It will leave a message to the user saying that hey, this user likes to join you. Okay, let's join an activity. Okay, let's join Hermione. She wants to study. The timestamp and the ID of Hermione is 5 and join. Now this will send a message to Hermione saying that, hey, I would like to join you. You can also delete your post. Post is where you can make a post about an activity. For example, let's let's socialize Central Park. So every user will now see this activity, and if they're interested, they can join you. And after a while, you're thinking like, okay, I don't want this. You can delete it. Just copy this timestamp and paste it. And now your post is gone and no one can see it. And history is where it contains a list of all the activities that you've posted. So far, Elsa has posted 2 activities: help required for Coronation Day and hiking this Saturday. An inbox is where you have messages if a user joins you in an activity. Elsa has 2 messages so far. First one is from Anna, and it says, Anna likes to join you in your activity, help required for Coronation Day. And second is from Olaf, and he likes to join as well. You can either delete an entry or you can acknowledge a message. Let's delete an entry and let's acknowledge a message. Let's delete Olaf's entry. And the ID of Olaf is 6. And delete. And when you go to inbox, it's gone. Now let's acknowledge Anna's message. ID is 3. And title is this. No, message is this. Now it will send an acknowledgement to Anna saying that, hey, I saw your message and I'd like you to join in my activity. Let's go to Anna's inbox to see how it looks like. And everything else is the same here. Now, you can see here, there is a notification saying that Elsa acknowledges your message, help required for Coronation Day. Now this is actually a placeholder. For now, I've filled it with the email, it could be a phone number or anything. So at this point, Anna has communicated with Elsa, and Elsa acknowledged Anna. So at this point, they can start talking to each other or plan their activity or somehow. The last component is movies. This is a P7 implementation, and it basically lets you search the database for the movie satisfying your condition. If you have multiple actors, just separate them using comma. And if you have multiple actors with the same name, just provide the birth year, or you can just provide IMDb rating. Or if you want movies between certain period of time, you can provide the year starting from and year ending in, and it will give you a list of movies in between starting and end, both included. Now this is a sorted list by year, and then it's sorted by IMDb rating. Year is sorted by in an ascending order, and the IMDb rating is sorted in a descending order. So there are 6 movies, but please take into consideration that everything is confined to PZ7 movies database. So if you don't see a particular result, maybe it was not present in the database, but most of the time, major information is present in PZ7 movies database, so you don't have to worry about missing anything. And minimum votes are taken as 10,000. So if a movie is present in the database and let's say it does not have 10,000 votes at least, it's not going to show up in the results section. You can provide any field, at least one field would do good. Like let's say 7.2 IMDb rating. It gives me the movies with IMDb rating of at least 7.2. These are sorted. Year ascending and IMDb rating descending. As you can see, there are a lot of movies. It's still loading because obviously the only condition was 7.2, so I should expect a lot of movies. And the list goes on and on and on and on. Hopefully I should provide a year to make my list small, which I would do in the next step. But this gives you every movie with the IMDb rating of at least 7.2 sorted in the ascending order in year and then descending in IMDb rating if the years match. I should have given a big number like 8 or something. Maybe it would have a small list. But let's do the same 7.2, but this time I'm going to have start years to 2015 and 2018 as my ending year. Now you can see there's a fairly short list, at least compared to what we had earlier, because in the early query, it was all the movies from 1970. Apparently, that's 1970 was the year starting year in our database. So there are no movies before 1970 in the database. So that's it. You can even provide a director's name, and what it does is it gives you list of movies directed by that person. It could be an actor, director. It works just fine. The only thing to consider is if you have multiple names, just separate them using commas. So this was my final project. I hope you liked it, and thank you for listening.